Where are you from?
From Hong Kong.
From Hong Kong.
私は
Oh.
Hong Kong 人。
Oh, すごい。
Just a little bit. Okay, we learn a little bit. We sing Japanese song.
Oh, you
but
sing
we don't-
Japanese songs?
A little bit because
Oh.
Hong Kong it was affected by the Japanese culture since I was very small.
Oh, that's interesting. Is it your first time here? Wakayama?
No. Okay, you were for this place first time, okay?
listen.
But we came so many times.
你覺得點啊？
For sure, Japan is wonderful.
好靚，好靚。
好靚，好先進。
好先進。
The culture is very good.
啊
You know,
了解。
for Hong Kong, okay, Japan is our second family.
啊
You heard it before?
翻鄉下，
翻鄉下。
係，知道。
Yeah. You speak
我學緊喺日本，
哦
係我
OK
自己學廣東話
a。very good Cantonese.
多謝。
You speak Cantonese. Yeah.
多謝，我好中意香港，
香港
我去過香港。
哦，你去過香港？
今年
都去過。哦。
係，我有朋友，我有
Okay,
friend
okay.
喺香港。
You study in Hong Kong or what?
我去香港旅行。
旅行。
係，因為我好中意香港文化。
Yeah, Hong Kong. I think Hong Kong's culture is good,
嗯。
but not so good like Japanese. Okay.
香港人好中意日本。
So much
啊。
from the heart.
哦。
I mean, from the heart. Not say, you Japanese, you are very good. No, not like this. But inside.